2018 BMW X1 review. The 2018 BMW X1 is usually a compact luxury crossover using the heart of the performance sedan. With the growing interest in smaller, parking lot-friendly sport utility vehicles, traditional vehicles, for example sedans and wagons, are increasingly being left within the dust. And SUVs, for example the 2018 BMW X1, show why. Its small dimension is perfect for urban driving, while its slow load floor and enormous cargo volume are ideal for hauling duty. It is more costly than lots of its traditional competitors. However, the BMW X1 is seeking to give compact crossover buyers who want something more sporty or luxurious a good solution in this somewhat crowded market. It depends on a turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, 228 horsepower, 258 lb-ft descending ability to either the leading or, optionally, all four wheels with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Either powertrain combination is lively yet smooth, as well as the X1 can zip to 60 miles per hour in the class-leading 6.5 seconds. But the X1 isn't information on sportiness. Its 402/040 split rear seatback increases flexibility for carrying large or bulky items and the ones at precisely the same time. But there's some disadvantages having a performance crossover. For one, the identical sticky tire and sporty suspension setup that keeps the chassis stable and stuck inside the turns also transmits high-frequency bumps and noise into the cabin. Although noise levels are not any worse as opposed to runners, the cruel ride over bumpy surfaces may leave drivers wishing for just a softer setup. Also, technology features which are standard or packaged together in got-to-have option groups, like parking sensors and Apple CarPlay connectivity, are standalone options, so double-check your build sheet before investing the car. Overall, though, the 2018 BMW X1's functional and sporty characteristics warrant a good recommendation. What's new? The 2018 BMW X1 is unchanged. Unless you specifically require all-weather convenience of the all-wheel drive xDrive 28i, the top-wheel drive X1 sDrive 28i with all the convenience package. Add in Apple CarPlay and park distance control options and you will have a luxury vehicle that's well equipped, having to break the bank. Trim levels and features. The 2018 BMW X1 is really a 5-seat compact SUV from the luxury segment. It can be purchased in two versions, leading-wheel drive X1 sDrive 28i as well as the all-wheel drive X1 xDrive 28i. From there, you've two directions to visit, X-Line Design or Sporty M Sport Design. After that, you can include various option groups that BMW calls tiers. The M Sport Design all comes together with the convenience group, and that is optional within the X-Line Design. Afterward, packages and standalone choices available determined by which initial design and group you choose. Powered with a peppy 2.0-litre turbocharged four-cylinder engine, 228 horsepower, 258 lb-ft as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission, the BMW X1 is definitely an engaging small luxury crossover. With the X-Line Design, the X1 comes standard with 18-inch wheels, fog lamps, keyless ignition, automatic wipers as well as a power tailgate. On the inside, standard equipment is a 402/040 split folding rear seats, power adjustable front seats, driver seat memory settings, as well as a 7-speaker speakers. An available convenience package adds a panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, auto-dimming mirrors, keyless entry, satellite radio and adjustable front seat lumbar support. The M Sport Design package incorporates the features from the X-Line Designs Convenience Group and adds various visual and satisfaction upgrades, including different 18-inch wheels, gloss black exterior trim, special interior trim, a sport-tuned transmission and sport front seats. Both models may be equipped with a premium equipment group that also includes LED headlights, a heated tire and heated front seats, a head-up display as well as a navigation system. Also available is really a driver assistance package, includes automatic high beams, lane departure warning and front collision warning and mitigation, as well as a luxury package leather seating surfaces and wood trim. Other options such as a 12-speaker Harman Kardon surround sound system, Apple CarPlay connectivity, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, in-car Wi-Fi, hotspot and wireless charging capability, and sliding and reclining rear seat adjustability. M Sport Design cars may also swap out for stickier performance tires plus a stiffer M Sport suspension. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S with this review are according to our full test with the 2016 BMW X1 xDrive 28i Turbo 2.0 litres inline-4, 8-speed automatic, AWD. Dynamics is how the X1 excels. It is quicker as opposed to Audi Q3 as well as the Mercedes GLA 250 to 60 miles per hour, posts some from the shortest stopping distances in the class, and sets a higher bar in handling prowess. Yet it's the ease of driving this compact SUV that leaves the deepest impression. Acceleration. Power delivery is smooth and refined during routine driving, as there are good punch under hard acceleration. 2. The 8-speed automatic shifts quickly, so it helps the X1 accelerate to 60 miles per hour inside a class-leading 6.5 seconds. Braking. The brake pedal supplies a smooth and progressive think that is easy to deal with in stop-and-go driving. In a simulated panic stop from 60 miles per hour, the X1 needed just 109 feet to avoid, one in the best results rolling around in its segment. Steering. The steering uses a little more effort than some competitors, yet not oppressively so. It is still very easy to direct through low-speed maneuvers. Handling. The X1's all-wheel drive system, as an alternative to being a detriment, helps it feel more agile around corners. Feels more grip than we expected from your all-season tires. Drivability. If you have been looking to suddenly overtake a motor vehicle, we have a slight delay between pressing the accelerator and starting the pass. In all other scenarios, for any compact luxury SUV, the X1 is very easy to drive since it gets comfort. Many will see the X1 offers suitable numbers of comfort, though some might take exception to its higher noise levels along with the firmness of their standard sport suspension. Although the interior noise may be worth a mention, the X1 isn't louder than others within the class. Seat comfort. The driver's seat bottom is challenging and narrow while offering minimal lateral support. Its seat back has better bolstering. Despite its deficiencies, it remains reasonably comfortable on long drives. The rear seats are similarly shaped and cushioned. Ride comfort. The ride is firm, more so versus the ride in other competitors. It could be harsh over road imperfections, it does not tend to absorb them well. You might find the ride too busy and choppy over definitely not smooth asphalt. Noise and vibration. The cabin is loud. Road and tire noise is prominent. As you move, the engine note remains tucked quietly away. Some could find this unpleasant, yet this matter is shared across brands on this segment and could be considered normal. Climate control. Although the buttons are small, the dual-zone climate control system is not hard to use. Leaving it on auto is the foremost thing to do, considering that the controls for that diverter fan speed are finicky to work with. Interior. The interior cargo area and easy cabin access set the X1 apart on the pack. A smart using underfloor compartments maximizes storage inside the back. As you move the size from the door openings and seat placement make it very easy to move in and out from the cabin. Easier use. A highly adjustable driver seat and steering column will suit many driving positions. The central screen is well positioned, and all sorts of climate and entertainment system controls are outlined clearly and logical to work. Getting and jetting out. The X1 may provide you with the easiest entry of the vehicle rolling around in its class. Its blend of low door sills, taller seat bottom and mild side bolsters come together to simplify this process. Small doors help out with parking spots, however they are somewhat heavy with regards to size. Roominess. The front seats give you a lot of adjustment, as much leg, headroom and elbow room as you need to be comfortable. The rear seat accommodations are also the largest in college, specifically in leg and headroom, and so are suitable for adults. Visibility. A tall windshield and reasonably low hood promote good forward sight lines. The wide rear roof pillars limit over the visibility to your degree. Quality. Tight tolerances between panels, quality leather-wrapped seats and surfaces, and sleek-looking brushed aluminium trim provide X1 the high-quality feel we've arrived at expect from BMW. Utility. The X1 sports the greatest cargo capacity and lowest lift-over height to use class. The cargo volume advantage is principally due to the large underfloor storage, the place where a spare tire may be otherwise. The 402/040 split second row folds flat. Technology. Navigation is available while using premium tier equipment group. The xDrive infotainment product is straightforward to use. Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and built-in Wi-Fi capability are worthwhile options to get.